Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to track productivity with Todoist Karma, the complete 2025 guide. This powerful tool can help you stay on top of your tasks effectively. First things first, to start tracking your productivity, you need to sign in to your Todoist account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile at the top left corner and select Karma. This step is important because it takes you directly to the Karma section, where all your productivity stats are gathered. Now that we've done that, let's look at how to interpret the information displayed. You'll see your Karma score, which represents your completed tasks and productivity level. The reason we do this is to gain insights into your productivity patterns, helping you identify areas of improvement. Next up, beneath your Karma score, you'll find a color-coded graph showing your task completion over time. This helps us because it visually represents your productivity trends. Are you completing more tasks on certain days? This can provide valuable data on when you're most productive. The next step is to customize your Karma goals. Click on the gear icon next to your Karma score and set your daily and weekly goals. These could be a certain number of tasks or a specific Karma point target. This step is crucial as it allows you to set personal productivity benchmarks and keep pushing to achieve them. Let me explain why this matters. Having a goal in mind can motivate you to stay productive and complete your tasks. It gives you a target to aim for, making the task completion process more rewarding. Finally, make use of Todoist Karma's Streaks feature. Streaks are the number of days you've consecutively met your goals. Keeping a high streak number can be a great morale booster and encourage consistent productivity. And that, my friends, is how you track productivity with Todoist Karma, your personal productivity assistant. Remember, the key to productivity is consistency and understanding your work patterns. Now go out there and conquer your tasks. Thanks for tuning in today. Knowing how to use Todoist Karma effectively can truly transform the way you manage your tasks. Keep striving for those higher Karma scores.